Hannah Burgum from the Willamette Valley Real Estate Team here. Has your rent gone up recently? I want to tell you about something that can actually help you combat the rising prices all around you. Home ownership. In today's economy, rent's one of many things getting more expensive. In fact, 73% of property managers plan to raise rental prices over the next 2 years. So if you're renting your home right now, there's a good chance you'll have to make a tough decision about your lease and your budget sooner rather than later. That's why homeownership is worth thinking about as an alternative. When you own your home, you don't have the risk of someone raising your monthly payments. Instead, you have a fixed mortgage payment that locks in what's likely your largest expense each month. And that's just the beginning. While rising rents can make it hard to save money, owning your home is a wealth builder. That's why homeowners have an average net worth over 40 times higher than renters. Don't keep renting if you're ready for an alternative. Home ownership builds your wealth and serves as a hedge against inflation. Let's connect and chat more about your options.